I will show you how to delete your map history on your Google Maps. Just you should watch and follow this video till the end. So open Google Maps like this first, and after that, guys, you should click here on your profile. So after that, click on the settings, and you're gonna find right now this list. You should scroll it until you find Maps history. Click on it like this. And after that, you're gonna find all the your history on Maps. What you should do to delete it, click here delete, and click all, delete all time, and to confirm deleting, click delete here, and that's it. So don't forget to like and also subscribe. See you in another tutorial.